Mic test, mic test. I think everything is working. Let me lower the music. Hello, hello. How's everybody doing? I see 2 viewers, so I'm guessing there's one more person here. Hey there, I hope you're doing well. If you're here for the first time, my name is Alexander and I make free software to help Notion and Anki users all around the world be more successful in their learning journeys. So today we're gonna get back to Notion to Anki again. We need to get some progress on the project, and I also wanted to do some other things just really fast while we're on it. It's just stuff that's annoying me. I don't know if the green screen stuff is also annoying. I've tried to fix it up, but I see some spots there. It's probably not noticeable, but I see it in my second monitor here flickering. So annoying. I hope you enjoyed the ASCII intro. I was playing around with FFmpeg and some other open source project. I'll maybe drop them in the link later. So yeah, let's get into the code. I just have a blank terminal here, nothing fancy. The first thing I wanted to do was update my website because there's something I wanted to change before I forget it. I keep forgetting it. Is it this? I think it's this. And I've also gone ahead and cranked up the font size. So let me actually position the camera so I'm not in front of anything. There. What did I want to do? We need a browser. Let me get Brave, and we should actually just launch this first. Is it start? Yeah, looks like it. Usually I have Notion to Anki running somewhere, and actually, you know, guys, I forgot to. I was doing some work stuff and I forgot to delete stuff. So let me actually go ahead and close up some private windows, which are not supposed to, some work accounts I was still logged in on. think I closed all of them up. Let me triple check. That looks good. And where's the window now? Okay, new tab there. We're just gonna put it here. It's gonna be humongous, but it's fine. Localhost 3000. I just want to do this quickly before we move on to the. No, this is not. Which? Okay, I think I'm mixing it up. Open. This is not what I wanted to look at. Actually, I wanted to look at the links. I think. I mix up. It's not my website. It's the links website I was thinking of. And let's see. Let's try using VS Code here for this. It's also npm start. Yeah, it's opening up Chrome. Okay, there. Refresh. Nice. So yeah, I wanted to update the links here just to get that done fast before I forget it. And now I see I'm overlapping with the content again. Annoying. So this is actually, I think, is this... yeah, it's using React too. It was initially using Imba, and then it got rewritten to use Svelte, and then now it's in React. What's the... Cannot find... What? Is it because we're using... I think I have some TypeScript add-on thing which is doing some checks. Yeah, so annoying. With all of the false positives in the... But anyways, so what did I want to change? I think I want to just make a few changes here. There's a section called Watch My Content. I think I want to change that one to... Yeah, actually, let's go ahead and open the JSON file. And let's see if it has some way to refactor. Can we move this? Can we just move it up? No, we probably can't do that. Okay, sucks. Let's just move it manually then. Did that work? Okay, watch me live. YouTube live, Twitch, Trovo, D-Live. I don't know why. I think maybe I'm running an outdated version. So I should have actually checked that. So let's just stash everything and then git pull origin main. That's what it's called now. Okay, so yes, we were running an old version. Let's see if this works. No, that doesn't work. Okay, let's try again. We want to get... Yeah, I don't trust that. We want to take this whole array and then just move it. So the way the page is structured is it's using a JSON file here to figure out which links to show. YouTube. Watch me live. YouTube live, Twitch. That one is fine. Maybe I should change this object thing. I'll change that one. I also want to add some more links, but show links, show live links first. And what did I want to do? So I want them to actually be collapsed by default. And I think the way we do that is by adding this open attribute in the markup. Or removing it, rather. So where is it used? Oh, there's also link.js. Okay. Yeah, here we have it. So, Let's look at the keys actually. What does it say? Oh no, that is the summary, right? So it's not gonna show it at all. So if we just remove the name there, it's gonna... They're all gonna be closed. I wonder if I change the width, can I get them to be the same? Let's try this. No, we can't get the arrows the same. I was hoping we could align the... They're not being aligned. Okay, the music is still working. Huh. Let's try changing them actually to one words and see how that works. I'll just... so one word and an emoji. I think it's fairly explanatory. We don't really need... They're now almost the same size, right? I think this is fine enough. And it looks a little bit tighter now. I like that. So let's commit this and then deploy it to make the links look more compact. Let's see. Actually, let's make, let's see. Let's just make the first one open. So, where do we say? Or actually, can we get that from the map? I'm not sure. Dash, let's look at that. I don't remember this at all. Why did Dash open up there? Let's look at the docs, JavaScript, .map. Let's let's see, we want the index element and then index, okay. So we'll leave that there, index. Open equals to, can we just do that? That didn't work out. I'm wondering if I have to call it value. No. So what am I not getting? Is it the other way around? Okay, it's the other way around. Name and then value. No, I mean name and then index. So confusing. There, now it's working. Links, make the first one open. We should ideally just use the URL and store that, but it's fine. Because you can see, let's do a before and after. If you look at it currently, this is how it looks like, right? It's kind of messy. This is the after. It's not perfect, but I like this better. Let's push that. And it's using Versal for the deployment. So yeah, this was something I wanted to do for a while now. And yeah, let's, before I forget that, I wanted to also add something actually before I forget that. This is something called plausible analytics. So I just want to keep track of how many visitors I have. This is something I'm paying for. It's not that pricey. I think it's like $5 or $6 per month. So I find this nice compared to Google Analytics, which can be really confusing. This was something mobile recommended to me. We can take a look at the dashboard view. Let me just first add this here. Yeah, how are we gonna figure that out? Does it have Oslo here somewhere? Amsterdam maybe? There, Amsterdam. Add that snippet and copy. Is there a document or app? I usually add meta stuff, so it should be... Oh, it's index HTML, nice. Paste the snippet in the head of your website. There. Now we're gonna keep track of that. It's, I don't know why it's doing the reformatting. Index, add, plausible analytics. Nice. Start collecting data. It's probably going to take a moment for this to take effect because the deployment hasn't gone through. Let's see. I think it should be fine to show my Versal page. I don't think I have anything secret there. GitHub. Why am I not logged in to GitHub? Let me log into GitHub. Oh yeah, that's right. I deleted all of my history before I came on. So let me get the authentication stuff. Not hit the mic. It's so tempting to just read out the code, but I'm not gonna do that. Which project is this? I think it's using Versal, right? No, it's using Netlify, I think. I don't see it here in Versal. Let's go ahead and check out Netlify. Really like to have the single sign-on with the GitHub stuff. This makes everything much easier. Yeah, so it's on my Netlify thing. I think we should be able to check the head now. Let's look at the... do we have it in here? There's the plausible thing. Let's go back here. Yeah, and it already shows up. So you can see United States, one visitor. That's not really correct. Maybe it's Versal, no, Netlify itself. Tablet. It looks like me. Huh. Let's actually try to see if it has any real time. I'll visit the site here on a second monitor. Oh, don't I? Yeah, I have a, not here, this other one. Links. Yeah, so this is me. It looks like it's treating my monitor as let me change it to an iPhone, see what happens. Change it to its own Moto G. We want it to be an iPhone X. What does it say now? Yeah, it's still reporting tablet. Yeah, whatever. So we'll use that later. We got that done. Let's close that up. We want to open Notion to Anki there. Let's check out the master, and I think we merged some of these yesterday, right? Let's delete that, and I'm not sure how long I'm gonna stream, so it might be a short stream. I'm kind of tempted to go to the store and get something, some snacks, and maybe watch a movie or something. But I do want to do a couple of things first. On the front page, I mean, that is. I think it's the front slider. Yeah, those are the branches. The other ones I don't really remember, to be honest. I have no idea what those are. I want to add plausible analytics to Notion to Anki, but I think I'm going to leave it out for now. So what I want to do today is change up the front page just a little bit. I want to use a website called Altin as inspiration for some changes I want to do, because I'm not really happy with the current. Do we have anything running? Tmux. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna use that one, so let's use this one. It's just spinning up the front end and don't allow. What? Why am I running? Don't allow. I'm running a lot of crap in the background. Let me shut down some of the processes. Right. Why am I still running Photoshop? Probably forgot to turn it off. Okay, so how does it actually look on the mobile? Let's look at it. So basically what we want is we want to make it just a little bit more compact here at the top. Let's close this down. Yeah. So what I want to do is I want to make this top similar to this, a little bit more compact, add a max width, and then the button there huge like we already have. So let's see if we can do that. Index is it? It's not HTML. It has to be. Is it home? Home. So what we want to do is we want to take the text and move it up, right? Actually, let me close up some of these tabs. It's a little bit confusing. So we'll take this. has a section. Hero is large. So we want the nav stuff to be at the top, and then the other text below. So let me see how we're gonna do that. I think I'm gonna keep it here on a second monitor so I can see it. Let me close that up. And if it's not obvious, I'm trying to move away from the Bulma stuff, so and use more of the style components. So I think what we're gonna do is I think we have to make changes to the header. We have to start at the header. We might also have to remove the ads by Google thing. I think we have it in the page, and now we also have it in the header. So let's see, how are we gonna do this? Let's just add a div here. We'll call this, or maybe not a div. We'll call it navbar. And just make the background red. And I think what we want to do is add a max width to it. Let's say 720 margin there. I think that's fine. And I'm using the red so I can actually see this stuff. It's not, otherwise it's not going to be clear for me. Let's see. And now it's doing the hamburger thing, which we don't really want. We want the links to always be visible, because it's not really that many links, right? We have the create, which is not going to be here at the top anymore. It's going to be moved down further, and useful links is going to be there. So we're actually just going to have 2 links here, right? Because all of the links are in the bottom and the footer, so that's fine. And I think what we're gonna do here with the bottom section is have YouTube videos. So before we move on, let's see. How can we do that? Just take this, put that, no, not there. There, and then ignore all of this crap there. Let's see. So the create CTA, this one is disappearing. What do we have here? These are the ones we want to move. We'll just move them and then see what happens. Let's see, I think this div. No, I missed something. We'll take one at a time and then get back to the... Yeah, let's just take one at a time. This we can all delete. Should be safe to delete that. And I think we're going to change the nav bar to have a display of flex. We'll wrap this in a div. And repeat. For, let's see, for these two. What? Why did it do that? Okay. Space between. And I think I'm going to remove all of these classes. Do we have the useful links at the bottom? No, we don't. So we could actually just add it there too. I think that's what we're going to do. And we'll probably update the footer later, but for now, let's actually remove it. I don't really like it. Doesn't look nice there. And then let's just create a new thing here. Const button wrap. No, not button. Buttons. Let's just call them buttons. It's just a div display. Flex, content space between. Where is it? It's here. Buttons. I wish it would automatically change that, but let's add a background because I can't see it here. Background, purple. Let's add an align item center. There, looks better. And we'll leave the color as is, and we're not going to touch that. But I'm not sure why these are... No, that's not what I'm trying to say. There. There, it's looking a little bit more like the way I want it to look like. We don't need this anymore, so we should probably remove these imports. I don't know why it's not doing it automatically. It should understand that we just removed it. And also the spacing now looks more correct compared to if we check out the live version. Let's look at the live one. Okay, it's showing us the mobile page, so yeah, it looks better now. Okay, let's now move the... let me double check. Yeah, I don't really like what it's doing there. So let's say, let's try using the... I think it's this one here. What just happened? Please don't crash on me again. So before earlier the music was crashing because something was going up with the browser. It's so annoying. It looks like it's up. Okay, good. Let's add a grid gap and see what happens there. There, and let's target this one. Grid gap 1 rem. Okay. Is it here, I think? Okay, good. And let's say display, no, not displays. I mean FLD. Is it just a row? And then this, it's so confusing with the media queries. I don't know, I don't remember the syntax. But fortunately, we don't really need to remember the syntax. We can just use the documentation. Media queries, let's see. Why don't you show us an example? Come on, we are not interested in reading that. Using media queries, blah, blah. There, we have an example. We can just add that. And then make our adjustments. So I think since we're using style components, we don't really need to specify anything extra other than just setting the property. So we're setting it to column, I guess. Or is it the other way around? Max width 400 pixel. Let's say that. No, that's not. $1,024. Looks good. There. Now we can actually move the text, I think, and then totally forgot where I was. So let me actually make sure we don't mess this up, because I will forget because my memory is not good. Let's just trust Git and let's commit this actually. Web components header, slim it down even more. Just show the two call to action buttons and the left side link there. Now we can we need to move the text. How are we gonna do that? Let's go here to home. We have our section hero is large. I think we're just gonna disregard that and then add a new div here. We're just gonna say div. And let's take, we'll leave the mascot where it is. We'll take the CTA and all of the text and then just move that out. We'll put that up here and see what happens. Okay. It's the text is too huge. I don't like that. But it's fairly close to. It's fairly close. Fairly close to how I want it. Let's create a new component. Where is it? I think we're gonna call this component container.tsx and container. And for now, we're just gonna return amazing. And we need to export default container. There, let's go ahead and start using this container. I don't understand why it's not. Why don't you just fix the import container? There. Did it work? No, it didn't work. I have no idea why it's not working there. We'll just import it manually. Container from. It's supposed to autocomplete and do the magic, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. We have our container there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna head on over to the header. We've already done this. We just need to export it. So. I'll take this stuff here and then just put it into the container. Let's make it actually I'm gonna change this const-styled container style.div, paste that in, fix the import, and we don't want the padding, we want the max width. Do you want this? Probably not. Let's comment it out and style container. What's it complaining about? Okay. Just thinking, can we use it the way I expect it to? I just pass this. Yeah, it doesn't accept anything. Let's see. Can I just say yeah, I don't know the type. Can I just ignore it? Let's see what happens if we just mark it as any. Okay, we'll drop that then. We'll just put it, because it's the TypeScript stuff which I'm still confused about. I'm gonna make 155 mistakes if I continue down that rabbit hole. So let's stop. Let's just stop. We'll put it in here where there's no ambiguity. That's it complaining about. Oh yeah, we're importing it here, obviously. There. We're gonna take this thing here. This. Remove this. Bam. Let's look at it now. Okay, now it's sticking there. That's good. I like that. But the font size, I mean, it's still too huge. So we're gonna remove this. And let's find the Bulma stuff, because that's what we want to. We don't want this to be imported everywhere, actually. Right? We only want it to be imported where it's needed. Actually, we do want it everywhere. Everything just broke. That's not what we want. I'm just thinking, like, how are we gonna default font size for H1? Font size, I'll take this, and then add that. And I will remove the comments later. Let's just get this styled H1. Let's see. There. And I'm not sure if I like it, actually. Yeah, let's change it. We're not gonna do it this way. I don't like it. It's not, doesn't look nice. We'll change it to a strong, and then try to keep it more compact instead. And let's do it like this. And let's remove this class name. Yeah, I think I like this better. It's just a little bit small. We'll fix that. We're making it the fastest and the easiest and fastest way to create beautiful Anki fashion, you know, anywhere around the world. There, and I don't have a good name here. CTA group. Yeah, that's the best name I can come up with right now. We want to get them together, so that should do it. Oh, why? Oh, I have a typo there. And 9 items center. Grid gap. One what? One rem. There. What's the? Why is there so much space between there? This is what I'm trying. Oh, it's the hero body crap. Okay. We're gonna get rid of that. But I still think the font size here is a little bit too small, maybe. We'll leave it for now and then get back later. So, we're gonna take our beautiful mascot and move it right there. Delete this section, see what happens. Oh yeah, I'm definitely liking this much better. It's still not... it should be a little bit... I don't know, maybe it's good that it's on the left. Let me look at the reference here. No, I don't know. Should it be centered, maybe? We can get back to this later. I'm just not sure if I want the mascot more left or more right or more centered. Usually I would say centered by default, but I think we're gonna leave it and then meditate on that just a little bit. There's no rush. So let's see. web, make the front page just a little bit more compact. Looks better this way in my opinion. Let's fix that typo, bam. And let's go. Oh, why did I start committing all of this stuff in the master branch? Like I'm a total idiot. Compactness. Let's create a new branch. We'll call that compactness. And let's go ahead and check out the master and make sure it's reset to the origin master, so we get back to a pristine state. Bam. Definitely liking the mascot. So we are going to create a new section here, which is still going to be in the container part, but here we could actually use H2, and let's say we have tutorials on YouTube. Nice typo. Let's test something here. Does this work? I think it should work. We're gonna say color violet. Yeah, it's working. What's the default font size for the H2? It's here it says it. We'll just add this. Because like the problem is that the Bulma stuff has reset it and I can't remove the Bulma stuff right away. I want to remove it, but it has to be done in multiple stages. So let's do that, and let's also add one for H3 because we're probably gonna use that for the actual videos themselves. So there. Let's see, how does this look? Let's add a paragraph. Below are some selected videos to get you started with the project and see some common use cases. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. And we're gonna add, of course, an A tag. I don't remember the link. I have to look that up. Where's the link? There's a contact page here somewhere. Contact that has all of the links, and also it has a nice widget like this showing Discord. Yeah, so I think that's nice to have. Don't hesitate, reach out. Let's actually reword that to contact. Let's look at that. How does this look like? Tutorials on YouTube. Below are some selected videos to get you started with the project and see some common use cases. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact. I think this is the way you'd add a space in React, right? Yeah, like that. Contact. Let's add a parenthesis. See contact page. I don't like this extra space there, not this one either. There, looks tight. Then we just have to add some videos, and then I think this is actually good to go. Of course, we're not gonna deploy with the violet font color. That's obviously just testing purposes, because I need to see visually that the changes are happening. And I'm not really a fan of this here. Let's try something just to see what happens. I'm not sure this is gonna look good, but I wanna see it. Let's add the HR divider and see. And it actually looks tight, so we're gonna keep that in there. Yeah, looks fine. Let me find a few videos we can use. So we're obviously gonna add the most popular videos. Yeah. I don't know how many is enough. We'll try adding a few and then see what happens. Let me just activate the F-tube there. Just get rid of all of the crap. So this one we're gonna put into H3. And let's add a paragraph here and say this is the first tutorial where Notion to Anki was unveiled to the world. It's a bit outdated, but you can see where it all started. Enjoy! Exclamation mark. I really like the formatter. It's you get used to it after a while. So we're not going to do a regular share. I think we want to do what the... Oh, there's the embed. I just missed it. What is this privacy? Whatever, man. I don't care. We should actually maybe create the iframe component we can use. I think it's missing a big B. There. They probably automate all of the JSX stuff, name translation thing. That's why we have to add them manually. So let's add the title in here too. We'll change this into a component. Just let's get it first working. Okay.
Hey there. Well.
I'm just trying to figure out how much of this should we make a component. We could make this whole thing a component. Yeah, let's do that. Create a new component and then... No, actually, since we only need it here, let's leave that there and then create it here. Const video section. Section. What did I just do? Fortunately, we have the undo button, so we can actually undo this stuff. This is not what I was trying to do. I think my brain just went into a really terrible mode right now. We wanted to actually make that into a functional component. There. Now we're talking. It's not used. So what do we need? We need the title. We need the description. And we need the link. All of these are strings. Link, string. Let's see. We'll I think we'll just use another container again. No, we need let's call this const small container. Oh, video container. And we're gonna do the same thing we did here. Where was it? Somewhere here. Yeah, we're gonna just make a different. I'm hitting the wrong keys. Let's try again. What's the max width? The max width is 560, 560, 560, and then we're gonna fix everything here. So this is gonna be the title too. This is gonna be the description. This is gonna be the same. Here we have the link, which is different, and then the title is the same, obviously. And I think we're gonna keep the attributes the same, and let's use the video container here, so it's actually centered. And then I think we can now replace this. Let's see what happens. The moment of truth has come. Does this stuff even work? So this is the title. And then this is the description. Let's see. Can we just do like this? I hate these long lines. This is the link. Is it really called link? Huh. Title, description, and link. What's it complaining about? String is not the same. Title, description. I don't understand. No, this line is fine. Change spelling to blink. Title, link. Huh. Is TypeScript messing with me again? Now it's gonna say missing link, right? Title, description. Yeah, what does this mean, man? What does this mean? Stop messing with me. Type string is not assignable to type URL string. What in God's name does that even mean? I don't see, like, let's just remove this curly brace thing and just add it. I have to search for this. I don't understand this. It's just weird. Oh, okay, I see. The type is URL. I just have to mark it as such. It's not able to defer it. What the? I think that's what it means, right? URL string. Do I really have to do it that way? Why would it? It just says string. Amazing. Let's just call it URL, see if that fixes this type mess. Title string, description, type string. No, wait. Do I have to? Oh yeah, this is the prop type thing. There. Now it should work, right? This is okay. I see. I'm making a fool of myself because we're in JavaScript land. We're not in TypeScript land. I'm forgetting that. Let's fix that. I think now we should work. Okay. Yeah, that's what. There, now I remember the syntax. It took a little bit longer than expected, but that's the name of the game. There! Now we have our video, but I don't like what it's doing to the text at all. So let's take this, move that outside. We're gonna get an error. Let's change that up so it's a fragment. And let's add some padding on rem. Maybe 2.5 or actually 1.5 first. Let's see. No, 1 and then 2.5. No, I don't like that. 1 and then 1.5 here. Let's see. Okay, 2.5 then. There, I like that much better. Let's take that and then also apply that to the H2. Nope, I don't like that. Let's try. No. Actually looks a little bit better, doesn't it? Oh wait, let's just leave all of that and then just add it to the top. Yeah, I like that. So now we just need to just use the video section for the other ones, right? We'll take this one. This one will drop because this one will take. This one is fine. This one I like. Yeah, we can't have that many. We shouldn't overload the front page with. I like this one too. Yeah, let's. Sucks to have one downvote, but yeah, that's life. So we're gonna use. Whoops. Video section. Bam. Why is that not working? Yeah, whatever. Title is equal to this name. Self-closing. And no dot, that's the title. So the description. And then what else? The URL. We're gonna share this as an embed and then just copy the URL. I think the URLs are actually different if it's an embed and not embed. So if we look at it now, we should have this one. And the spacing is good enough. I like that. And also this goes in the direction I want. I want more traffic to the YouTube. So let's take this, do the same thing. I'm tempted to make this the first video, but I'm very awkward in the video where I scream a little bit and stuff like that. Shameless promotion, so we're not gonna add this at the top. But this video is special in the sense that it tells you what is the goal and the purpose of the project. And I was actually watching it recently and yeah, I totally forgot some stuff. It kind of sucks that we have 5 downvotes, but I guess some people are not a fan of the message. Let's get that one. Did I get it? I'm not sure I got it. I think the ID, only the ID has changed. So we can actually just leave everything else there. Let me pause it. Oh, I love that there's 2 emojis in that sentence. It just looks nice. Let's start closing up some of the tabs. This one is the overview. I think I got all of the videos we wanted. I wish I could use this video, but the problem is the audio is really crappy. It was raining hard that day. Oh, yeah, that could have been a great... Actually, you know what? Let me take a look at that. How to... I think I'm gonna use that as a TikTok video. It's exactly... No, it's not exactly. Yeah, let's take this one. I really like this video here. I think I'm gonna download it and then upload it to TikTok later. I mean, not delete, but download. Oh, there's a promote button. I've never really used that button. I don't have anything to promote on YouTube. I mean, paid promotion. Oh, this one has no... This one has 105 thumbs up. People really like this video. How to turn any website into Anki flashcards. Okay, so we're gonna... I think we're gonna add a few more and then maybe remove some because it's getting really crowded. Man, this description really sucks, but I'm just gonna add it regardless. I don't want to spend too much time on improving it. We can always improve it later. Kaizen for life. We don't need to do all of the changes in one day. I'm not sure. What is up with this text selection thing? Monkey ass. Oh, it's annoying. Oh, there's a lot of comments on this video. People all around the world. Thank you. Okay, I think we got this now. Let's see. You know, I think it kind of sucks the screaming, but I think I'm gonna put this as the first video. Even though it wasn't historically the first video, but it definitely communicates what is the goal. And I think that's important so people know what I'm trying to do. And you can see there was obviously no downvote, so hopefully it's gonna stay like that. To use closed. This one is really important, but I'm not sure if it's a little bit too sophisticated to have that on the front page. Yeah, I think we're gonna leave that one out, but this one we want to have. This one is a special thing because when you have used the site for a while, you will obviously want to change the card options, and the recommended ones, I want to show you those. I think that's better. So let's add this one, and let's also add this one there, and so it's obviously not as popular as the other ones, but this is a question I get frequently asked, like how can I get rid of the or how can I enable nested toggles? Nested toggles are not great in all cases, but in many cases you want to use them. Okay, there we have that one. This one, I want to add it, but we're not gonna add it. There, I don't know what this link is. I was looking up some demo stuff earlier. Let's add those. And let's say web, home, add more YouTube links to the front page. Why did I add a period there? I don't know why. This should hopefully help newcomers get started. Might add more relevant videos for returning users. We could use local storage to store what you have seen before. Yeah, so the page is obviously not going to be really that useful for power users, but for new beginners it's gonna get them started on some stuff. Let's add one more thing. I'm gonna add a plug to subscribe, obviously. That's what I'm waiting for. Let's go here, and then I wrote some code for this. I don't remember how the code works, so maybe we can reuse this. Let's see if we can find it. Let's open up Tmux. I was gonna split that. Is it YouTube? Why is autocomplete not working? Come on, stop messing with me. Terminal. So slow. I'm definitely not. It's not ZSH per se. I think it's the NVM stuff. Come on. No. Maybe I have it here. Is it here? Maybe. Oh, it's YT. Okay. Yeah, my bad. Git grep subscribe. Let's look at. Oh no, actually we have bat. We no longer need to use less. We can get syntax highlighting this way. And obviously I'm silly. Is it this? Yeah, it's this. Okay. I thought I was looking at the wrong repository again. I'm not sure which one it is. Yeah, we'll have to. Oh no, I see it now. It's the channel row. Where's the components channel row? Oh yeah, it's in here. So I think we're using Tailwind CSS here, based on the syntax. Yeah, let's not spend that much time on it. We'll just add it. So this is the main channel. Let's copy this copy link address. And where are we gonna add the plug? Make sure to like the videos, and then here we can add subscribe. Subscribe. Turn styled subscribe. Subscribe. Let's just add. Yeah, actually, in this case, background red is actually appropriate color. So let's see what happens. Nice, and I have the link there, so we're gonna say why didn't that work? So confused sometimes by VS Code. Yeah, it doesn't work. We'll add the H tag there. Const link there. We'll take this. We're gonna say href is equal to the link, and the target equals to blank. I want to keep you on our website. What's the no rel something? Target equals. I'll just look at the header. Target blank. We need to copy this, otherwise it's gonna complain. React is gonna be a pain in the ass. There, now we just need to style this, and obviously we're gonna reuse this because I don't wanna spend too much time on it. So let's look at it. Let's make sure we have the brand color from YouTube here. Looks nice. Didn't I just copy it? No. Okay, good. And what's the width? What's the tab size? I'm gonna look that up. The tab size is used to customize the width of tab characters. Doesn't do anything here. Whatever. Color, white. Oh, that's, oh, I see. And font weight, bold, and what's the width? Did we have a size? I think it looked really fixed items, some stuff rounded. to text with background rounded hover. Not sure. I don't know what's going on there. Let's try wrapping this with the CTA group just to see what happens. I'm curious. Is it the same here too? Yeah, okay. It actually didn't turn out that bad. And you have one CTA there, over there. And let's see. Yeah, I think that turned out better than expected. Does it work? Yeah, it does work. I think that's an improvement. It's much cleaner now. It's not perfect, obviously, because we haven't tested it that extensive. Web, home, add call to action for YouTube, like and sub. Git push origin compactness. Let's see. I think Netlify is going to build a preview which we can take a look at. And obviously we've only been testing on the small screen now, so we should definitely be trying this out on a bigger screen just to see what happens. And it's working as expected. It's more centered now, and this is similar to the design of the Notion page, which is why I wanted to move in that direction too. And before I forget that, no, actually, let's leave that in there. The frequently asked question section. Yeah, you can get to this page. It's not, we'll leave it. It's mostly for the people who are interested the most. Let's see. Yeah, I think this turned out nice. I'm happy with it. Ready to push this out. And then I think I'm gonna go get some snacks and relax. Have to get up early tomorrow. This is related to the redesign. Redesign. So let me actually just write this down. So I've been wanting to redesign the website. I've not gotten around to doing that. Really should spend some time creating mockups and wireframing or wireframing, just to think ahead and potentially improve the UI UX. The current changes are to simplify the front page and provide potentially useful videos on the YouTube channel. Make the homepage and header more compact. Now we've actually just been looking at, let's click at get started, you get into this page, okay, that's fine. This is only on the development server. Yeah, I think this is fine. Code looks okay. We're gonna get rid of the Bulma stuff. And let me fix another thing, global style. Because I don't remember how to do it. Global style. Import create global style. Okay. I think it's that easy. What do they call it? Just call it global style. Import, create, global style from style. Is that it? From style components? I think that's it. And then export. This way you can get rid of that one file. And then where did they put it? In the app. Let's see. Router. Fragment, global style. It's I think we're just gonna put that there, have our fragment, and then global style. I think it's in the same directory. The Emmet stuff is definitely getting annoying here. I think that's it, and then we can just delete this. We're gonna get a build issue, obviously, because it's still in use. Yeah, so I think I like the style component stuff. It's straightforward when I get used to it. Getting used to using styled components. There we have that. I think this should be ready to merge any moment now. And the Netlify preview. Okay, now we're obviously rebuilding everything because we just pushed the change. Oh, my hands are really oily. Must be some, maybe it's from my mouse. What? Did we go one step back? So let's look at the before and after. So this is the current page. And this is the after. No, wait, this is the after, this is the before. Why are you so slow? What's going on? This is not expected. It's too slow. Let me check on my phone. It's running very slow. I was not expecting that. I'll merge the pull request as well. So it's gonna take 10 minutes for the deployment to go through. Unfortunately, still have not. So now I'm seeing a blank page for some reason. Failed to reload resource. Is it the Google script that's doing something? No, it's loading now, I can see it. It's just loading dog slow. Yeah, something is... It could be my network. Is it me or is it down? Yeah, something has to be wrong. I can try using a different browser just to see. Let me get a different browser up here. Yeah, it's definitely it's Brave. Because I can see here, okay, the ads are a little bit excessive. I've pushed it to the max, but yeah, it has to be the Brave stuff. Let's turn off the ad blockers. I'm probably doing some privacy protection stuff. It's breaking everything. So let's see. So the Docker deploy is gonna take 9 more minutes to continue. We can wait for it. Let's wait for it. Still, oh, let me stretch out. Oh, I've been trying to optimize another website today, so I've spent a lot of time at home in front of the computer. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of PHP, unfortunately. But I've had to read a lot of it today. Hopefully I can get the site I'm working on ready for some deadline. Just need to test a few things first. So it's gonna create the optimized build now. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up. It's gonna take a while, and I'm gonna leave the computer running. Or actually, I can close it up. It's running on GitHub. So I just want to say thank you for everybody who came by. Tomorrow we're gonna have a stream where a little bit earlier than today we're gonna play Stardew Valley like last week. So that's gonna be fun. Look forward to learning more about the game, and until